Okay, here's a functional cam bridge. A functional slumber quiet cam bridge. You don't often see these.
Depends on where you look.
On camera, it looks like the light is ridiculously oversized.
It is a larger light kit for a fan like this, but if it had the smaller length blades, it'd look even crazier.
Yeah, I would love to see that combo. Here's all his Fanimation stuff.
I need all that gone.
Shit, I'll take that. I'll take that Delta 2 from you now.
And it's already claimed by somebody.
Mm-hmm.
So, one thing I've never really understood about the Cane Bridge is that, unlike all the other ornate plated Casablanca models, it has a non-ornate switch cap. It doesn't have the same kind that a Victorian or a Columbia would have. It has the same kind that a Zephyr or a Panama would have. I never really understood that.
Yeah, it's just essentially a small Victorian, so you'd think it would have.
Yeah, that's why it has the nickname Mini Victorian by some people. Yet the switch cap is different.
Personally, I think it would look good with the smaller one. I mean, smaller one. Ornate one. Nice spiral down rod up there.
Spiral down rod was a pretty popular thing in '83.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's that one.